Let's take a small overview of the fields on the sales container to create an overall understanding. First of all, in the header, we had the container ID, which follows a number series, so it will be filled in automatically. Normally, in description and description 2, you can write whatever free text you like on the container. If the container is for only one customer, you could add a customer number from the customer list and thereby import lines based on that customer. So if it's for a single customer, use this field. In this specific container, I can see that I have different customers and also a transfer order, and therefore the customer number is deleted. In the urgency field, it's actually a free text field where you can write wherever you want to, just to see it in the overview if it's urgent what you're going to do with this container. The shipment date can be maintained in the header, and if you do that, it will ask if you want to update all the sales order and transfer order line with this date. So it's a way of update all the lines in one go. Booked for day is normally filled in when you order the container, so you have a date when you will expect the container to arrive on your ramp, so you can follow up if it's not being there on time. The shipping agent code is of course the shipping agent that are supposed to ship the container, and the container serial, this serial number container code you can fill in here, which is the 18-digit number, which is specific for this specific container. Outbound status will be filled in more or less automatically. So if you ordered, for instance, you will fill in manually, but when you ship it, it will set it to shipped. So some of them are automatically. And this is, of course, just the status field that you want to view on the container to make sure or to see it in the container list. If the container is a truck or something with a registration number, you can enter it in here. So for instance, if you have your own trucks that you use for shipping, you can also plan on which truck is driving on which dates. Then you have the lines that are added to the container and the posted lines that are added to container or posted on the container. Further down, you have the measurement, which is all about the measurements of this container, and some of it is calculated automatically or could be calculated automatically from the calculate contents and value function. Some of it is added manually. For instance, the container size is something you add manually. The number of color is added manually. Container cubic meters is added manually if you want to know that. And some of it is measured or calculated. And in the lower section, we have information. If you deliver on sea, you might want to know the ship name and what dates delivered in harbor or what time it's expected to be delivered in harbor. Often we see that our customers would like to leave the container or send it to the harbor and then wait there for further handling. So this is the base information on the container card.